Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO Y28 and let me show you how to do fingerprint. At first, enroll the list of all apps and reach Settings. Wakey wakey. So now from Settings, choose Security and mark Fingerprint. So as you can see here, you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. If you already have one, just provide it, and if not, just create it. So let me provide a new one. Tap on OK to save it. Now manage notification content. And it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located on your power button, so smoothly click on Start Enrollment and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added here. And mark done. As you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.